Hey guys, this is what I look like without makeup before I get ready and all that good stuff. I had hiccups and I was going to try to make this crazy video of the way my sister told me to get rid of hiccups, and then as soon as I turned the camera on, my hiccups went away. But I still thought I'd make the video anyway. If you get hiccups, you gotta take the water like this. I drank that because I'm thirsty. But you basically have to hold the water in your mouth and do photosynthesis, SpongeBob style, and then your hiccups will be gone. You gotta do like this. Whoops. You gotta do that for about 10 seconds, and then your hiccups will be gone. It's so silly, but it really works.